great merienda. Nababo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, thank you so much Shookies by Jaymieann for sending us another merienda for me today. So if you notice guys, I'm gonna be having a chocolate treat for this afternoon. And if you're interested to know more about this, check out her fan page and Instagram account. And for those of you who are asking for the price, ayan, so yung chocolate choco chip natin 250 pesos, yung Kit Kat cookies naman is 350 pesos, yung M&M's cookies is also 350 pesos. That is for the box of 6. For the non-cookies, they have brownies and moist choco cake. The brownies is 480 pesos, yung cake naman is 450 pesos. Grabe guys, I can still remember yung mga fudgy brownies na ganito. It's great paired with ice cream. Sayang hindi ako nakabili ng ice cream ngayon. Anyway, I have with me milk, and this is best paired with a glass of milk. So either you dunk it, you sip the milk. Anyway, what I'm gonna do guys is I'm gonna dunk it such as this. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, that's gonna become creamy. Oh wow! Now, basing on the physical appearance ng mga cookies natin, I think these are the medium size or the regular size cookies. And at the same time, they are heavy, an indication of they are really filled with chocolate chips, and at the same time, they are moist. So look at that. Filled with chocolate chips. It stays without the milk naman. Oh wow! Now, meron tayo ditong yung tinatawag nilang fudgy brownies. If you notice guys, yung surface natin has a really crispy, flaky surface. Ayan, no? And then at the bottom, it becomes very, very moist. As in, sobrang moist guys. Ayan, no? So let's taste it. So you get that contrast of texture, sabi ko nga dun sa surface natin is medyo crispy and flaky, and then down to the bottom, it's super duper moist. Sayang talaga, no? I mean, this is really great paired with, ice cream on top, either a vanilla, or if you wanna double the chocolate, go for the Rocky Road. Although this is a chocolate-based fudgy bar, hindi siya mapait. Hindi siya katulad ng mga ibang fudgy bar na overpowering chocolate nila. And it tends to lean sa bitter side taste na this one is not. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Kaya talagang perfect siya na mag-a-add ka ng something like an ice cream on top. So, yeah. Great merienda. Wow. I'm impressed. Alright, so again guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Let's support local businesses that are trying to start up, that are trying to, kumbaga, gustong magpakilala sa atin. Another option for you to check out guys. Thank you so much Shookies by Jaymieann for sending us your products. Again, make sure to check out Shookies Instagram and fan page for more information about the products that they sell. So once again guys, thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye.